Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 14 of our complete HTML mastery series. HTML meta tags and SEO basics. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover what meta tags are, why they are important, common meta tags for SEO, and how to optimize your HTML to improve your website's search engine ranking. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone wanting to improve their website's visibility on search engines. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands on experience is the best way to master HTML. Meta tags are snippets of information placed in the head of your HTML document. They provide metadata that helps browsers and search engines understand your web page better. The CHIR set meta tag specifies the character encoding for the web page. UTF-8 is the most widely used encoding and supports nearly all characters. The description meta tag gives a brief summary of the page content. Search engines often display this summary in search results, making it important for SEO. The title tag sets the web page's title shown in the browser tab. It is also crucial for SEO because search engines use it to understand the topic of your page. Other important meta tags include the viewport for responsive design, social media tags for better sharing previews, and robots tags to control how search engines index your pages. For good SEO, use unique and descriptive titles and meta descriptions. Keep descriptions concise and always place meta tags inside the head section. Avoid overloading keywords. To summarize, meta tags are essential for page encoding, SEO, and usability. A well written title and description can boost your website's visibility and user experience. Next, we will dive deeper into HTML5 multimedia elements like audio, video, and the powerful canvas element. If you found this video useful, Please like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest tutorials.